The Eliminator 3 is the most advanced rifle scope on the market today. It features a modern lightweight design, yet is robust enough to weather the most difficult hunts and harshest conditions. Not a second is wasted with the built-in range-finding technology that zeroes in on game out to 1,200 yards and beyond, instantly giving you the perfect aiming point. You can program the Eliminator with your specific ammunition data, and it will automatically calculate exact bullet drop, giving you a simple illuminated point of aim. This digital display will show a 10-mile-per-hour wind value for your specific cartridge at the indicated range to your target. This wind value represents how many dots to hold into the wind for a 10-mile-per-hour crosswind. Estimate the actual wind speed and use the 10-mile-per-hour wind value as a guideline for selecting how many dots to hold into the wind. Eliminator 3 models also feature a built-in inclinometer that adjusts for difficult uphill and downhill shots. Burris provides a comprehensive cartridge list that provides a drop number and ballistic coefficient for your specific cartridge. In a split second, the Eliminator factors in the distance, the angle of the shot, the ballistics of your cartridge or load, and presents a lighted dot for the perfect holdover. No other rifle scope combines this level of quality, technology, accuracy, simplicity, repeatability, and effectiveness. It will greatly increase the distance at which you can be confident in making an ethical shot. The Burris Eliminator 3, delivering extreme accuracy at extreme ranges.